I'm not a professional photographer, but I do know how to edit and shoot video. I know how to hold the camera very steady. I don't know how to shoot photos, and I want to take photos outside.
Yes.
But I want to take photos of Aylon Road. Aylon Road is a road.
A highway.
A highway. A highway to hell.
Yes.
So I have my camera that I'm holding here. It's the 6D Mark II with 16 to 35 millimeters, and I have 50 millimeter lens. And I have the Sony A7III, A7III kit lens, 28 to 70, and 50 millimeter lens.
And a frog.
I don't know how to take photographs, but I just want to try to take like a photo of a road, and the cars goes and you see the lights. I think that we can do that.
I think that yes.
I think that yes is a good answer for me. You will hold the camera while you're on the motorcycle, okay? We will shoot the video. You'll see good video, extreme measures.
But
So
if I destroy the camera, it's not my fault.
it's her fault. Yes. I am the driver. Looking for this. Ow! We are going to Aylon Road. Let's park here. There is a place for bicycles, and it's not the motherfucking road. Sidewalk. This is what I want to take a photo, and I'm not a professional photographer, but I want to take like a picture of the road. So I'm going to do it with two cameras, the Sony and the Canon, and I hope that I'll get a good shot. This camera that you see me right now, we are shooting the video, so I'm going to start with the Sony. After we'll switch, take video with the Sony, take photo with the Canon. Let's put the tripod. We need tripod for good photos, yes? I'm going to start with like 28, so it will be wider. I'm going to start off with auto mode because I don't know how to take a photo, so I'm going to take some photos. Come, look at the screen. This is what I get. The camera knows it's night mode. I'm going to take a photo. Okay, let's take another one. I want to see the lights of the cars like in a straight line. Shutter speed slow, I think, so I'm going to try it out. Shutter speed priority. I think I'm not a professional. Can I take a photo of you while you're waiting? Move the camera a little bit. Mode 0. Now let's switch to the Canon, and we are going to shoot some video with the Sony, so let's switch cameras. Okay, first of all, now you're seeing me with the Sony A3, that I guess in nighttime it will look a little bit better or much better than the Canon. We got like a street lamp over here, and I'm going to shoot now with an F4 lens that it's a little bit better than the one that I use, the kit lens that comes with the Sony camera for the Canon. I'm going to set it to 28 millimeters, although this lens goes from 16 to 35. So let's try some shutter speed priority to the cars that passing by on Aylon Road. This looks like a nice spot to take a photo. Let's try it out. Now I'm going to switch to 50mm lens, and let's try it out. Now I'm going to quickly switch back to the Sony, put the 50mm on, and we'll see the difference also in the video. Now I'm with the Sony, going to take some pictures, 50mm. This is it. it. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that the photos were good. I don't know yet because I didn't open my computer. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please break your table. Do it chazak, chazak, chazak. If you want to talk with me, my name is the Jew Boy. Just say hi in the comment section and I promise that I will reply to you. If you are seeing this face around here across YouTube or in the world, maybe consider to subscribe and I will see you in the next motherfucking video.